Hi guys, this is my Udemy course for you about reading. I know that reading is a very difficult part for many students, especially for those who just start preparation. And I've prepared many tips and tricks for you regarding the exercises, how to do them, how to solve this problem with reading quickly. If you have further questions regarding reading, listening, writing especially, and speaking, you can write it to my Instagram account, Facebook account, YouTube. You can also watch my YouTube channel to get more information about IELTS. Firstly, here in this video, I'd like to give you a brief information about reading. Actually, you know that on the exam it lasts for 1 hour. And if you are going to pass paper-based reading exam, you should transfer your answers within that 1 hour. You will have to write 40 questions, and you will find these questions in 3 passages. I want to talk about the difficulty level of these passages. Actually, the first one is usually the easiest one, the second one is more difficult, the third one is the most difficult one. Question types are the same, but the difficulty level of passage, the difficulty level of questions on how to do them simultaneously or separately, these all change from passage to passage. Well, I hope that these video tutorials can help you to develop your reading skills a lot and get a high score on IELTS. If you have further questions, you can join to my YouTube channel, my Facebook account, my Facebook page, and of course the Facebook page of the company that I'm working in. It's Academy Star. I will share all links in this video and in the links below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you further in next videos. Thank you. Bye.